It's another day in the garden and we have so many plants. We need to actually go out and get some cow dung so that we can plant the banana stems.
But before planting everything else, I started the morning with something special, Kasturi Manjal, also known as holy turmeric. Unlike the turmeric we use in cooking, Kasturi Manjal has been valued in traditional medicine for generations.
I've been told that no piece of iron has to touch this plant, and so everything for it has to be done with hand. I've only dug the hole using the iron gadpar and a spade. So now it's time to hand plant these into the soil and see them flourish.
Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties and is often used in skincare to help soothe the skin and improve complexion.
Let's get some manure. We're here and we're going to shovel up some nice cow dung now.
One of the most important ingredients for healthy plants isn't the plant itself. It's what goes into the ground around it. Manure adds organic matter to the soil, improves water retention, encourages beneficial microbes, and slowly releases nutrients that help roots establish themselves.
How does it feel like shoveling shit?
Very excited because there's so much fuel for my plants. I can't wait to feed them with this good stuff. So here's the cow dung that we brought today. Notice how it's actually quite dry. That's how it has to be, otherwise it will burn the roots of the baby plant. It has to have all of this pre-composted wood pieces so that the plant doesn't struggle. Let's powder this baby up and create a nice little wood ash slurry to dip our plantains in and create a nice antibacterial layer so that new nice roots can sprout. I'm gonna mix this with water. By the way guys, it looks brown but I can't smell it at all because it's been composted so well. So I have these two banana stumps which I will wash and plant now. Let's go. Here I've mixed the cow dung in this soil that is already there in the plot. Just gonna mix it really well. And then this, I've also lined the bed with some cow dung. There you go, baby.
You might notice that a lot of this planting happened after sunset. In Bangalore's climate, planting in the evening can actually be beneficial. The cooler temperatures reduce stress on young plants, prevent excessive moisture loss through the leaves, and give the roots an entire night to settle into their new home before facing the next day's heat. Fast forward 2 weeks.
You chasing a butterfly, Zeke? So Zeke is standing next to the replanted guava, which is also doing very well. He's given us these new leaves since we've planted him. Here I'm looking at the custard apple tree, and I am so happy to say that this tree is flourishing as well. We have a little bit of fruit flowering going on here and I am so happy. As you can see, the Kasturi Manjal has given us a whole bunch of new leaves over there and over here and over here, and that is one of the old leaves. And I am so happy that this plant is also doing great. Here is our happy little jackfruit. This jackfruit has lost all of his old leaves and has started growing new ones. All of these leaves are new from when we bought him. We have tiny ones growing here too, so yay! The little stump that we brought has grown into a real nice and healthy banana plant. So far so good. He's been constantly giving us new leaves and they've been growing big consistently. The second stump we planted started sprouting a little late. I won't lie, I was a little worried that he won't sprout at all, but I'm so happy to see that this guy is also giving us very nice and healthy leaves. Very thrilled with both the Nendran plants. I brought 2 pepper plants as well. I put one leaning against the neem tree over here with a little bit of the wilderness around it. And even this guy has started showing new growth, which I'm very happy about. I planted the second pepper plant against this moss stick that I had. It's a little experiment towards the 2 different lighting conditions, and evidently the one with the softer light is giving us massive leaves already.
Seeing fresh growth always feels rewarding. Every new leaf is a reminder that the plant has survived the transplant and is beginning to establish itself. Some of these trees will take years before they reward me with fruit, but that's the beauty of planting. You're investing in a future version of your life that doesn't exist yet. The rain means the soil stays moist, the roots continue to establish themselves, and the garden gets the perfect start to the growing season. Now it's a waiting game. Seeing fresh growth and hearing the rain is more than enough. This little food forest is finally beginning to come alive.